What y'all all been waiting for? Do me and Trinity go out?
Kill 'em all, put them hoes to rest. Walk in bulletproof vest. Please tell me who she gon' check. Murder scene, Cardi made a mess. Pop up, guess who, bitch? Pop up, guess who, bitch? Ding dong.
What's poppin', everybody? Time Money back with another banger video. I'm here with
Trin.
Make sure y'all like,
Comment,
and subscribe.
and get this video to about 10 likes.
Stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. Go like the video. Go get this up to 10 likes right now. Okay.
That 10.
Big 5-5.
Period.
That's all you gotta do. Alright.
So we got seafood and we excited. we got our beers, you know what I'm saying?
You know they ain't want to give us no bibs or nothing.
Right.
They want us to be corny.
But a lot of gloves though.
They want us to be real corny with the bibs though. I ain't see no bibs. I walked in the restaurant. I ain't see nobody with no bibs though. I don't know what they be doing.
Let's start.
You know we got our lemons. You know you gotta have. If you don't got the lemons, then what are you doing? Like I just don't understand. Like do you know what I'm saying?
Period.
Like what are you doing? Well I got some crab legs. I got corn. I got a potato. I don't know why it's in this small bag though. I'm kind of scared. You scared?
Yeah.
Like why is it so small? This junk was $33.
Expensive.
And then, yeah, I got some crab legs, and I got corn, and I got a potato. What you get?
I got crab legs, corn, potatoes, and sausage.
Alright. Oh, shit, I need to put my gloves on. I'm stupid.
Period.
We can't even eat, we ain't can't play or nothing.
Oh, my bag leaking.
Oh, crap, I forgot to tell y'all what this is. This is a seafood mukbang.
Mukbang.
What you
Well,
call it?
it's called mukbang.
Muk?
Oh, I didn't take my retainer out. Hold on, y'all.
I'm trying something new. I got Cajun sauce. I never tried that before. I'm scared. Nah, I'm scared. Ooh. Okay, this is what it look like. Hold on, we need to pose for the thing. That's good.
Yeah. Well, let's do one with the crab legs out of the bag.
Why the crab leg? Like, why is it so small?
Right. We gonna need some to crack it open.
I should have got the damn king crab. You can go get a fork if you want to. I don't use nothing. I use my hands and my teeth. Well, how it tastes?
Mine tastes good.
Look at this. Look
Hold
at
on.
this.
Spicy. Take the sauce.
Wait, what type of spice level did you get?
Yeah.
They sauce look weird, but I mean,
What you get?
I got Cajun sauce.
Oh.
What is that thing?
Garlic. It gotta be.
No.
Try the sauce.
That big old thing.
What big old thing?
That big old badum.
Sausage.
uh,
Let me taste yours.
I thought you said it was hot.
It is.
It's not hot.
It's not hot.
Damn. If yours not hot, that mean mine not hot. I should have got.
Good.
I should have got the ghost pepper.
Oh boy. You
That ghost pepper probably would have been nice and spicy.
wanna do one with the?
I thought this was gonna be spicy. This not spicy.
Let's do this.
Pick up our leg.
Yeah.
Oh, they did put the sausage in here like some dummies.
Come on, I'm hungry, man.
All right. This is what their sausage look like. Honestly, I thought their sausage was gonna be like a link. But yeah, okay. It's whatever. Oh shit, you got me over here eating. I ain't even get my lemon sauce ready or nothing.
Oh yeah, I forgot about lemons. Wow.
It's like
Uh-huh.
it's how to eat. Y'all, if y'all like seafood, comment down below.
I can't. Oh wait, hold on.
I know somebody said that they wanted us to do first fight. You ever got in a fight?
No, cause I'm a good kid, but I almost got into a fight. Like
I'm
that.
scared I'm gonna break my braces. Well, it tastes good. It tastes
Yes.
good. You already know.
Oh no.
And you gotta dip it in the sauce.
We got two different sauces though.
Yeah. How did you almost get in a fight?
You know, I was young and dumb.
This is good.
It is. About to fight over a boy. Yes, my boyfriend at the time, he was being friendly,
The fuck?
and I didn't like the girl. So, and then like one day in the hallway, I saw my friend. I was like, "What's up, bitch?" And
Why can't you just say it like a normal person?
No, the kids might be watching. Mine is hot.
Like they don't know.
It's my fork. Oh,
Yeah.
if you need a fork, use that one. And so I said my friend was like, "What's up, BTIC?" And she thought I was talking to her. The girl was finna fight. And so like, she called me H. Ooh.
A hoe?
Ooh.
She called you a hoe?
Yeah. And I followed her. I was like, "Excuse me, I wasn't even talking to you." She made all this ruckus. They did. And we was there arguing at each other. And then all the security came to break it up, so we ended up laying hands on each other.
When was this? Like middle school or something?
I think it was 7th grade.
So what should I say about my first 7th grade fight then?
Yeah.
Alright, so should I be federal and say the name?
No.
I shouldn't.
Brad, no.
Why not?
Huh.
I'm gonna break my bracelet.
Did you eat the crab leg? Is it good? I
Yeah.
can't even get my crab leg.
Basically, on some girl on the bus, there was this one dude. What should I call him? I'ma say,
Talk so much. Run their mouth.
I'ma say Dragon Breath. So,
Brad.
because like he was over here roaring like a fucking dragon or
breath
something.
stank?
Yeah, that shit stank. Like let's say like, alright, look. So it was like this, right? So first day of school, he already over here turned up, whatever. You know, all the 8th graders know each other. This at the 3rd, 7th graders this day first year to middle school. So it's like I know the people. I know some of the people on the bus, but it's like I ain't talked to y'all in a year. I don't know y'all. I ain't talked to you, like, it's a whole different 2 years later. Like, I don't know you. What are you doing? So it's like we on the bus, whatever. So he over here, he all hyped up and everything. Like, what you so hyped up for?
Right.
Like, you can be hyped up. I'm not gonna hate on nobody parade or nothing, but like, I mean, like, why are you so loud? It's the morning. Why are you so loud? It's the morning. Why? What are we doing? But so then after that, so we're on the bus, we're on the way back home. He yelling, screaming, he all over the seat, and he sit behind me, so I can smell your breath pretty good, and it don't smell like mints. It smell like ass. It don't smell good. And he just keep doing it, and he just keep doing this little annoying stuff. Like, I don't know if it was intentionally towards me, but it was just like really annoying. I get annoyed really easily, especially in 7th grade. I was a mess. But so basically what happened was, one day I got tired of it. I said something about it, and then he was talking about me, and he was calling me gay and all this stuff. And there's one day I had these church socks on, right?
Church socks? Oh my gosh.
There's church socks and I had on slides, right? And so
Lord.
it was like this church socks. It was like pink, blue, yellow, and gray. And so he was talking crazy about the goddamn church socks or whatever. So we started going back and forth. He talking about I never had a girl. This, that, the third, calling me gay. And you know, basically all the fights I ever been in is because people call me gay. So, or fighting for my respect, basically. So basically that's what it was. I was just fighting for my respect, because like, what are you doing? But if I had the video, I would show y'all, because that shit was funny. Flick that whole seat and everything.
What? Damn. So you won with the ground? Yeah. I got caught in my
Who was one? Who else would have won?
Ooh, yeah.
I'll be damned. And like, I don't like losing fights. Like, if I lose a fight, I would dead ass try to fight you the next day. Like, I don't like losing fights.
Mine is hot. I'm not.
It's only garlic butter, right?
But I asked for medium. I should have said regular.
We got the same thing.
I got a white shirt on. This was a bad combo.
Sure was.
Well, they bad because they ain't give me no bid.
Huh?
They worse because they ain't give me no bid.
Right, we should have went to Boiler 65. We went to Boiler and Seafood and Crawfish. But I mean, it's good, I guess.
I think it's 8 for the stand.
High school. Let's talk about high school real quick for the freshmen that's going up there. Y'all know I'm finna be a freshman in high school. I got a lot of friends or whatever that's like texting me. Or like I know texting other people that's scared to go up there. I don't really know why, but
Cause seniors. They probably be.
The seniors this year, they finna be on some other shit.
Man.
Maybe I do need that fork. Can you give me that fork? I swear to God, I'm getting it.
I'm over here dying of breath. Look at this! I'm a...
It took that long just to get that out.
Yeah!
I've been over here enjoying my food. And it's a lot of people that are scared to go up there. Like,
I was scared. I didn't want to get out the car on my first day. But your brother is senior, so.
Right.
It better for you.
But at the same time, it's not like me and him talk or nothing. It be like, oh, what's up or some shit. Like,
Right. Oof. Oh.
But mainly, part way because of the fact that I do know a lot of seniors up there, and I do talk to more seniors. Like, I don't talk to my brother as much as I talk to other people in our school. Like, I don't know. But
man, I ain't never getting this spicy ever again.
But it be like, it's people up there that go out with sophomores and juniors.
What you mean?
Like, it's people in my grade that go out with sophomores and juniors, and they still scared.
When I was a freshman, it was the same thing. Like, your girlfriend
like,
or your boyfriend ain't gonna save you for nobody.
I mean, they was doing all this reckless stuff in middle school.
Got corn, dude.
You got corn?
I ain't gonna say yeah.
I should got another potato. This potato
I did too. I'm saying no. Forget corn and the sausage. Oh, that's what I'm trying to savor mine.
Do you eat this part of the crab?
Yeah. That's what the most need to be.
Yeah.
Next time, you gotta get king crab.
Right. Sure, I'm low-key glad I didn't. This time they were low-key expensive.
Yeah. I can't breathe. What advice, even though you're an incoming freshman, would you give the incoming freshman?
Yeah, even though I am an incoming freshman, so that's not a smart question. But what I would have to say is,
I'm gonna get my advice when you're done.
All right. What I gotta say is, for incoming freshmen, even though it's a incoming freshman giving you advice, but still, like, all I gotta say is just like, be yourself. Like, just try to find out who you really is while you in the high school. And your first year, try to focus a lot on your grades and your reputation, because I hear that's what they really be you know.
Yeah.
And also, don't be acting corny though. Like, people be acting real mad corny. That's foul. That's foul. And also, a lot of people that I've been talking to, they've been talking about like lunchroom, the main thing. I think a lot of people don't like is about the lunchroom, because they feel like that we're gonna be running around the lunchroom like it's a freaking playground or some shit. Look at that shit. Look at that. Like, that's just irritating. Like,
oh hell no. Anyway, my advice is watch you hang around.
Yeah.
The people that you walk in school with, you ain't gonna walk out of school with.
Ooh, I got one. Ah, bitch.
Make some more, because I'm gonna die over thirst.
I got one, y'all. I killed that bitch.
Ooh! I ate all my potatoes.
Hey-ho. Where is this Riley at?
But yeah, just watch you hang around, you know. It be the closest ones that turn up. And then it's like,
Yeah, they be like, your close friends really be fake. I'm not even finna count.
spilling your secrets behind your back. Oh my god, look at that.
Ooh, that look good.
I had to open it. Mine is hot, dude.
I don't know why you can't taste spicy stuff.
I don't know.
This fly finna blow me on a different level, though.
Yeah. God damn. That's good. Oh, you ain't even touch your drink. That's how you know.
I did.
Yup. That stuff ain't spicy.
It is.
Look at my fingers. Look.
Alright, take some of my sauce. With a piece of your crab leg or whatever.
My stuff is hot. I can't take it.
Take some of it.
I don't know what.
Take some of it with your, take some of the sauce.
Alright, let me crack thing open.
Oh,
I'm
God,
not
this thing
digging
safe
this
forever.
sausage though.
Huh?
I ain't digging this sausage. Oh, baby. Oh,
We really should have got a king crab.
right.
I would have got that by itself. That junk would have been so fire. What if the king crab was small too? These small ass bad as they give into.
Anyway. What's your favorite store?
My favorite who?
Store.
Like
Fashion?
store to go in or like store like I shopped at already? Like,
Period.
well, let me say it like this. If Amazon was like a regular store, like you could just see Amazon just like how you see Walmart, then I'd probably say that.
Uh-huh.
But other than that, I have to go like Target or Walmart or something because it be like
for sure.
not mainly because like what I can buy there, but mainly because like you could just really just walk around and just like do back. Because Jesus, we got slightly interrupted. Somebody called. You gonna try the sauce now?
I didn't even cut my thing up. Oh, I was working on it. Hold on.
We got interrupted. Somebody called me, and then on top of that, these flies was getting everywhere. Testing my patience. Just dipped it all over my food and everything.
Oh my God, what is better? I'm fucking dying.
Didn't you get garlic butter? It shouldn't be hot. And we got the same
Can you make
spice
that
level.
stuff up? That better not be your brother. I bet that is.
It probably is.
Fuck yeah. Alright, put my hand.
What is it? You gonna come say hi to the video? Fuck that shit, I'm on.
You so extra.
I'm saying.
You allergic too?
Hell no. My nigga
Yeah,
know
that
he
shit.
been a boiler 65 before.
Hot.
Where your noodles at?
Can they finish cooking?
Excuse me. Shit. What the fuck is wrong with this motherfucker?
Tyler!
Remember all that
He's
meat
fucking.
that you got on there?
Shut up.
Sorry.
I put my phone on Do Not Disturb. Probably people trying- Oh, we not even talking.
Right.
My bad. Oh, boy.
Y'all should play Never Have I Ever.
We could play that.
Wanna do that?
Yeah.
Or y'all
Alright.
should do, oh yeah, just do. Or who most likely to, y'all should have did that.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
You go first.
Bitch, who most likely get the fuck out my face? Get the fuck out my face. The fuck is wrong with you?
You.
I'm talking to the damn fly.
like this lemon sauce better than my sauce in my bag.
I told you. So I'm going first to ask a question.
I ain't never.
Who most likely to take an ex back?
Me.
Yeah.
Who most likely to? Man, you just gonna put me out there like that though?
Yes, sir.
Tyler, where's my sausage? Can I get some?
Huh?
Can I get some sausage?
Do you want to eat it? It's touching the shell.
Okay.
You bitch, you gonna die?
Maybe. But only live once anyway.
Oh Lord!
She ain't dying at my house. I'm not responsible for none of this. No Cleveland remembrance from my house.
Who's
No,
most
no.
likely to yell first?
Huh?
Who's most likely to yell?
Her.
Tyler.
What? Right, it is you. I do not yell.
It'd be like you kill one fly and another fly get in. I don't understand.
Okay, well, for real, Tyler, I really want some of the sausages. And
So come get one.
Okay,
Mambo.
okay, come on. To yell first, Tyler, go.
I'm scared.
For what? Why you put it on the side?
Cause it ain't finna touch her now. You not finna die or nothing, not yet.
These bitches is cold.
Riley, choose a question.
Right, cool. Pick questions for us, because we can't think.
Okay.
Ooh.
Who's most likely to drop out of high school?
She said, who most likely to drop out of high school? I would say me, but
I'll say you because you lazy for real, for real.
no. I say me, but if I was to drop out of high school, I have to have like a steady career. Like I have to have like a lot of money. I have to have like a steady career, like something I want to do.
Well, you gonna drop out anyway.
No, I wouldn't. Trinity, that's you.
Who's most,
I'm hot.
who's most likely to move out of their parents' house first?
Or
I'm staying there. I ain't got time to pay bills.
me, but that's only if I was to move out the state. If I'm not moving out the state, then I'm staying in your house and I really don't care.
Who's most likely to walk out of class?
Tyler.
Tyler?
Tyler, you get real disrespectful.
What? Okay. If you know me, you know I'm not disrespectful. But people be trying
So
to
what's
play.
a better word than disrespectful?
I stand up for what I believe in. That's all I
Oh
do.
my god.
I mean, I know.
Can I try a piece?
No, you cannot.
I told.
You cannot. Right, me. You're just trying to get out of my house, huh?
I'm finna ask my mom if I can eat seafood today because I took some days.
Okay, I want to see them takes.
My bad.
She's allergic to fucking shellfish and is trying to eat some.
Watch, I'm gonna be dead by the time I leave here. I promise.
I'm sorry, but your sauce is better. I'm over here freaking dying.
I don't know why. My sauce is not hot at all.
Shove a pencil up my ass and call me a dyke because I left my drink in the kitchen.
Oh my god, Riley.
Oh!
Never have I ever told somebody I loved them and I didn't.
Why y'all look at me? Because you know.
You don't
I
know.
haven't.
You inside the video, right?
I haven't. Have you? Yes.
No.
Fucking lying.
Who I- who
Oh
I-
my
who did I say that
gosh. Why?
Say their name. I said that to her because I actually did love her. I actually got love for her. I don't say love to people if I don't love you, like.
Tyler, you be having little hoes on the low for real, for real.
For real?
Like,
I'm saying
you know,
somebody
you
said it
really
because
do.
dang.
What? Who? Name one of them. No one.
I don't know the names, but Tyler, you, it's no way in hell that you only have like one person, which was Jonna or Jazz.
Period. At least
That
somebody
don't
said it.
I ain't had neither one of them.
Y'all be listening to me.
I ain't had neither one of them.
I'm over here struggling now.
I ain't had none of them, so I don't know what they're talking about. I've been single, so.
I've been single, but you had hoes.
Otherwise, I'm not cutting this off the video either, so. I said I might have hoes. The fuck? Trinity, I know you got hoes.
No, I'm
Trinity,
going to
no, let
one
me tell
person.
you, Riley. Let me
No,
tell
Riley,
you,
don't listen to him.
She
I'm
got
going to the
hoes.
wrong person. What are you talking
You
about?
want me to put screenshots?
One person.
You want me to put screenshots in this? You want me to put screenshots
One
in the video?
person. Who? And it just better be concession stand.
Concession stand boy.
That's one. That's
Ice cream shop boy.
Who's ice cream shop?
Bitch.
Who is ice cream shop?
And then on top of that, JR. I mean not JR. Shit. JH. Then on
You lying like
then
a
on
bitch.
top of that,
Oh my God.
on top of that, TJ, backwards.
I hate you, because you already know that's a lie. Boy, it's concession stand, one and only. Ice cream boy, kick rocks.
And she told the concession stand boy that she loved him.
No, I did not.
You said something like that.
Yeah, I miss him. Oh,
You
God.
miss him? Oh, that's cute.
Okay, so now what's up with that?
Barely got a motherfucking job. You gonna come get
He
some?
said he has a job.
And I want to let it.
I'm out of breath.
You gonna have to go out to living unless you want the sauce on it.
Where you get those gloves from?
Did you not see the glove box that I threw out the window?
Oh,
So slow.
shut up.
You sure you're not gonna die?
I'm positive. Stop putting it on the side.
I'm sorry, but like, I don't know what I think that's doing, but it's doing something.
Not nothing at all. Nigga, you know no doctor.
I am.
Once you told me the sauce took the what's the name together, I took this one medicine.
Well,
Man. No, because I can't believe you just supposed me like that. I'll talk to one person. Just gonna stay there.
he got a job.
Yep,
He got a car.
yep.
Ooh.
Ooh. What type of car?
Dodge.
What type of job?
Shit,
Job?
grown man.
I don't know. It's a Dodge.
Is he out of school?
Yes.
I said, what type of job?
Don't worry about the job. Tell me he's trying to put old dude on the spot. Like I said, he got
so
a
he's in
job.
high school now? He graduated?
Yes.
She just said that.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh, we got
He
ho-hos.
graduated last year when I was a freshman.
I know. I just want them to know.
I hate you.
Y'all already know the facts. The facts. The streets be talking, okay?
Yours is sweet. Like, it's not even high.
You want to come taste mine? Mine's hot.
Yours is
Like,
not.
keep passing on yours.
Wait, what you want?
You would
A
get your
sausage.
ass up and come cut the damn. Can I touch one of your sausages? Thank you,
Sausage.
Frank.
I wouldn't let you say shit. What the hell?
I thought you said it was hot. It
Yes.
just tastes like garlic.
Not in my mouth.
Ooh.
Oh, shit!
Look at this
And
big
you
ass
wearing a
piece
white
of
shirt with this red sauce?
Yeah, and I already got red on it already.
big ass piece of crab meat. Mm-hmm.
Shit. Hot.
We changing looks. That's what we're gonna
Yeah,
do.
that's what we gonna do. I can't believe you do this. I'm gonna just eat.
So y'all think I should do a video of me doing Trinity hair?
I'm doing this here no more. You can't braid, motherfucker.
If y'all get this up to 20 likes, I'm gonna make a video of me doing Trinity hair. I didn't say braiding.
He ain't making a video, nothing.
Oh, that day we do your sister hair, I'm making a video.
He ain't not.
Yes, I am.
Cause you gonna be embarrassed by your ass.
What? I know how to box braids. I don't know how to do cornrow.
You know how to do
Oh,
cornrows,
okay.
Riley?
Hell no. I don't even know how to do twists.
Oh my god, I need something done to my
Oh.
in my hair. I already got skinny legs now. I ain't even got no meat in them. Ooh, baby.
You know it wouldn't be as hot if you put some of that lemon on there.
That's what I started doing.
You said what?
My tongue hurt. I mean, hide, not hurt.
I'm gonna be gone. I can't be no suspect in no murder.
Will not be dying in my house. No. I remember my band teacher, he used to be like, if you gotta die, go in the hallway, because that's a lot of paperwork.
At the middle school?
Yes.
Hell no. Tell me why I saw Miss Sharp big body built the fucking ass.
She big.
No, because Miss Sharp used to say, call my mom, you want me to call Wilhelmina? Bitch, call her. Give a fuck.
But I hate when teachers be saying, you want me to call your parent? Like, I really don't care.
Stuff like that don't phase me.
It really don't, though.
So you
like,
really call her and I get home and it's just us.
Oh, well, that still don't faze me, but like anybody else on the street. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, but
I ate all my food except for my corn. You like your corn?
no,
Did you even eat it?
I did. I ate a piece.
You fucking lying. This corn has not even been bit into. Right, look at you. I should got some potatoes. Fuck everything else. That's not a bite.
That was a bite. That's all I could bite. It's hard.
Oh, yeah, I forgot you got braces. I'll be tripping. I forget.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Dummy.
Excuse me, what?
Dummy. Okay. Well, I'm just go ahead. I'm gonna say this.
I don't have no hoes either.
You can look through my phone. Matter of fact, we're gonna make a video. I'm going to make a YouTube video of a Tyler phone tour. We're gonna go. Why you keep putting this on my plate like
I be thinking that you want
We're
it.
gonna do a whole video of everybody going through my phone because I mean, I ain't got nothing in my phone.
This lemon flower.
Oh, this is a popping question. This is a popping question right now. Who do you think cheat more and why? Girls or boys? You be doing Riley? I swear to God, if you say boys cheat more, I swear to God.
I say both. I say it's a close. I say it's a
Oh,
close.
I know you got bodies, but like,
Why would you say that?
Who has bodies? Oh my gosh! Who?
I know you have folks. I know you don't fuck with a lot of people.
Who got bodies?
Shut up. Anyway,
Who got
so
bodies?
y'all can't just.
Who got bodies? I know we ain't talking about you, Mister. Lit. What's that song called? Freak me some. Lick me up and down. It's a lick me up.
It's bubbly.
At this
And
point,
the equal state.
At this point, I would say both, but at the same time, girls, y'all just like, y'all, I'm not gonna say y'all cheap, but now, y'all little hot girl summer and your
But
little
men
sick
lie
girl
about
summer.
it, though.
Yeah, you got a hot boy summer, so shut up.
No.
You.
I've been single all summer. I haven't been doing nothing. You know I fucked with Cardi. I've been on Cardi.
Tyler, who did you hug when you went to the high school and enjoyed that?
Who you hug?
What? And enjoyed
Shut
that.
up. I did Cardi B summer. That's what I did. Cardi B summer, Cardi B season, Cardi B year. I haven't done anything. No Megan, no Nicki, no, what them things called? City Girls. No Hannah Thought, just good little love. No Taylor Girls, none of that. I've been on a little Cardi B summer type shit, singing pressed off something, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody been on that hot boy, hot girl, hot none of that shit, not in this house. Well, not
Don't
for
say,
me.
don't say this house. Ooh, child.
Don't play him like that.
You played yourself. My teeth look good. And I just ate all that, so.
You just really gave me all this food. I don't want the rest of this, to be honest. Alright, so look. Now what y'all all been waiting for. Do me and Trinity go out? No! Hell no.
Hell no, bitch. Fuck you.
Hell no. To the no.
What the fuck that's supposed to be? You supposed to say no. You don't gotta say a whole song about it. What's wrong with me?
Oh, don't make me go ass. You break up with somebody. I don't want to have a relationship to go into
I do that shit
next
too.
school year. Then, boom, pop up, got a whole ass.
Shut up.
That was it for this video. I hope the ending of the video is better than the beginning of the video. I'm probably gonna edit it so it's different, but that's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Get this up to how much you likes? You said 20.
Yeah, 20. A good 20.
A good 20 likes, and we out.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.